Today I was in the AWS Summit Madrid 2025. Most of the audios from the videos I took wasn't great. There was too much background noise, so that's why I am recording this voiceover. It was an awesome event. There were a lot of interactive demos: racing, sport, labs, gaming. Let me show you this funny moment in a generative AI workshop.
Oh, you don't choose your gender.
I didn't take any photos.
Yeah. Oh, really?
Ah, okay.
It is better to you're here. Yeah, come closer. Yeah.
Let's see.
Right here, 15 seconds.
That's me.
What do you think? Of course, there were many companies there, but I didn't pay so much attention, to be honest. Before going into details about the different presentations, let me start with a quick workshop. It was in the startup loft, from idea to production. Well, not production, but a demo, which is fine. It was a live demo, not a recording. The speaker used Amazon Q Developer inside Visual Studio Code, using a couple of prompts. With one of them, he created a brand new application, and with a short second prompt, he built a reporting interface. In one of them, I don't remember which one, there was an error when displaying a chart that he fixed in that moment, just mentioning the issue in the chat. And let me tell you, the feeling of creating an application from scratch in 10 minutes was amazing. So about the presentation, there were like 10 or 11 tracks. At the very beginning there was a keynote with different topics. I guess they will upload the video somewhere else. And about the tracks, they host different presentations at the same time, so you need to choose which to attend to. In the description below, I'm sharing a PDF file with the table of different presentations. Let me quickly show you which I attend to. I attend to a few presentations about generative AI with bedrock. They explain the different models and how it works. Another one about the database migration and breaking a legacy application monolith with different tips. And about the food and drinks, there was a lot of water, some coffee, and for having lunch, we had options like tuna salad, a chicken and egg sandwich, and fruits. By the way, each track has headphones with different colors. I attend to another presentation about Amazon Q Developer. This time was a recorded demo, creating different files. Here the interesting point was learning about the different agents. So Amazon Q offers different agents which are like commands for a specific action. So for instance, /dev is for creating code. There is another command or agent for writing tests, another for reviewing any change before commit, another one for generating documentation, and so on. And beside that, we can use Amazon Q Developer inside the AWS console interface, for instance, in order to debug or investigate any issue. Another talk I attended to was one about DDoS attack, with some tips and information at different levels and services. And finally, again with AI, about generating images from other images with a prompt, combining with other services, combining with other services. It was related to generate content with AI for social networks, but it could be applied to any business or use case. Also, we can create short videos from images with AWS Nova Reel and text to images with Nova Canvas. It was inspiring. And then back home, and that's it. Thanks for watching.
That's all for now. Thanks for watching.